It has absolutely been a challenge and a journey to build this product, but I'm so thrilled right here, right now on this stage to show you what we have built. The demo that you're about to hear, we have a couple of sample calls here. It will be me as the beloved customer calling in to an e-commerce brand. So let's cue the first one.
Hi there. Thanks for calling the Spamming Zero merch store. How can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I want to check on my order.
Let's see if I can help with that. What's the phone number associated with the order?
818-970-3554.
Are you calling about the order that was placed on Wednesday, September 7th that includes a purple cotton tee?
Yes, that's right. I'm wondering when it's going to arrive.
Your package is currently on its way to you and will be delivered by FedEx on Thursday, September 15th. It was last seen in Brooklyn, New York, about 15 hours ago. Is there anything else I can help you with, Brian?
No, that's perfect. Thank you. For anybody in e-commerce, we all know what this call type is. We can basically all say it together in concert. This is a Wizmo call, right? This is the number one thing that people call e-commerce brands about. And we saw in the experience, right? Obviously, this is a end-to-end voice experience, right? The person does not need to wait on hold for 15 minutes. They don't need to call you during business hours when they're also doing business. They're able to call you anytime and get the answer that they need. Now we're going to move into something that is a little bit more complex, something that I promise you have never heard an IVR do before. So, Tony, let's cue the second demo.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for calling the Spamming Zero merch store. Are you calling about the order you made on Wednesday, September 7th that includes a purple cotton tee?
Yes, that's right. I am calling about that order.
Great. Your order has multiple packages. Your first package containing green socks will be delivered by FedEx on Thursday, September 15th. Your second pack.
I picked the wrong socks and it's already shipped. He's gonna hate me.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Oh, you heard that? Oh God. You must hear all kinds of stuff. What's the craziest thing you've heard?
Someone told me they loved me once. I was so nervous, I hung up on them. How can I help you with this order?
Well, I need to cancel it.
Because your order has already shipped, we unfortunately can't cancel it. If you no longer want the items you purchased, we can initiate an exchange or a return. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, I'd love to do an exchange. That way he can get his purple socks. Gotta have the socks.
You can do this on our website, or I can send you a text message with a link to a pre-filled form to exchange this order. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, text would be great. Okay.
Done. You'll receive the text message as soon as this call is over. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. You saved my day.
Thanks for calling. It was great to speak to you. Have a flippin' awesome day.
All right, so let's unpack some of what happened there, right? So start of the call, I am greeted personally by name and I am suggested the order that is currently pending, right? So we are using the phone number that I'm calling in with in order to do an auto match into the account to verify the customer, and then using the order data that we're accessing in order to predict and understand and further personalize that experience, right? Then you scoot along deeper into the call and you start to see some of the conversational abilities of the system. Reading out the information on the order, and I am able to interrupt the system. It hears me, it's able to engage in a little bit of witty banter, and then take the conversation in the direction that it ultimately needs to go, and then offer options and complete the exchange process over the phone entirely automatically. We've got one more demo to show you right now. I promise this one is a little bit quicker, right? So sometimes the people that are calling in, they're not calling about an order that's already been placed. They're calling and they want to place a new order. So that's what we're going to hear right now. Go for it.
I'm on it.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for being a longtime loyal Spamming Zero customer. How can I help you today?
That's so kind. Y'all are great. I need some help with placing an order.
Of course. I'll forward you to our VIP accounts line so they can help you with that order.
Great, thank you. Okay, so very simple, quick thing here, right? The idea of the product is to, as quickly as possible, understand who's calling, what the situation is, and then give them the best possible experience and solution to whatever that may be. So if you have, right, as we saw in this recording, a long-time loyal customer that is calling in and they're trying to make a purchase, then that's probably the ideal moment to cut them straight to the front of the line and get them into the hands of one of your best associates. So that's what you saw there. Those are 3 examples. The product today is built to support over 100 of the most common topics that people are calling these brands about. And we see automation rates ranging across verticals from anywhere from 25, 40%, up to as high as customers that are automating 85% of their calls with this product.